Welcome to the product me Blackview BV6600E, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So let's first open the settings application, and after that scroll down to the system section. Then just scroll a little bit down, and if the developer options, if they're activated, you'll see here the developer options section. Just to hide them, click once on this section and then just tap here on this swatcher to turn it off. After that, when we'll go back, we can see that the developer options section is gone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.